Welcome back, folks. We've got a gem this morning, and it's just one of the best parts of covering the evolving projects that are coming out on top of the blockchain, is that you get to see coins or tokens like this. This meme token is a little bit more than a meme token, and we're gonna dig into it. It's called DOGEFOOD. As you can see, it's had kind of a breakout, up 15,829%. You know, I don't know how much of that is real. That's like saying, hey, something's up. You know, if something was up 2 times, or 100%, that would be 2 times. So 100%. So if something was up 1,000 times, I guess that would be like what, 11 times on your money, right? So for something to be up 15,000, you what is that? 15 times 11, you talking about 150%. That's what they're trying to say here. Okay, 150 times on your money. I don't know if I believe that, but more important than trying to decipher this number is trying to determine, yeah, look at that graph. It was like nothing, okay, and then all of a sudden it was like something, okay. More important than digging into that, we're gonna find out whether this project has some viability. Let's go ahead and head over here to their site. It's called DOGEFOODBSC.com. And right off the bat, you can see they've got all the cuteness that you could ever imagine just right off the bat. Okay, DOGEFOOD at GameFi NFTs. They've got a white paper here. They got where you can buy it. They got a swap already. And I don't know exactly what, this is down here. I'm not going to click it. But it does talk about what they are right off the bat. And I'm going to go ahead and read through this. This is a charity dog protection project. We are committed to making a dog charity organization to help every stray dog build their home. This project will gather NFTs, GameFi mining, swap concepts. We are building a strong community in the beginning of the DOGEFOOD, finding more consensus in order to stabilize the team funding for further development of dog charity. So that sounds like a pretty good cause. And when you go ahead and look, they've already got themselves listed for people to see here on CoinGecko, PancakeSwap, and CoinMarketCap. All right, they're sitting here talking about they're up about 34%. It's starting to look legit, folks. Here they go, and they how to buy it. They've talked about that in Binance. And then we keep going a little bit, and they're gonna kind of talk about how their charity donation project works right here. Look at this. For 1,000 USDT, which can buy 77 bags of dog food for the dogs in Thailand, donation is already made. More charity will be done by DOGEFOOD as we can. We are the real charity crypto Doge. So look at this. Somebody's really trying to feed dogs out there and find homes for them, and they're using blockchain technology to do it. And then they're going to have some fun with it. Here they've got their NFTs. I guess that's to raise awareness and to also bolster the token. This is not a joke. This is a real cause with a real token. And they are making real contributions to trying to help dogs. Okay. Here's their roadmap. I always like to see that. If I don't see that, I don't think a project's legit. Let's just take a couple of eye bleed on this and see if it's legit. Okay, this is more like a history lesson here. When they launched, build up of social media, white paper. Maybe we'll take a look at the white paper here in a second. Upload the avatar, AVIC DEX, and token pocket. So this is telling us what they had to do. to get started. Then here's what they plan on doing in the second quarter of 2022. Release the Doge adoption NFTs, establish NFT exchange, create a swap, and establish NFT casting platform, establish an NFT donation platform. So, you know, one of the reasons people like and subscribe and share on this particular channel is that, you know, we focused on basically introducing you to new and exciting tokens that might be very valuable to you, okay, that could actually grow at a huge rate exponentially. Folks, this is a new token. This thing right here could be explosive, and you can see why. It's legit. Here they go to the third quarter of 2002, and they start talking about developing their game. Once they get to 5,000 players, 5,000 players in their Doge game project, they're gonna do some advertising and shoot for 10,000 holders. And then by the fourth quarter of this year, they want to establish their donation foundation, purchase real life dog food from the game and NFT. So look, they've got a timeline here to try to execute everything they say that this token is about. Are they legit? I don't know. They're kind of looking legit. They got all the pieces and parts. Now they do have some, hey, this is what we're going to do in their roadmap, but they've also got some proof here that they've already actually started doing a lot of the things that they're doing. Okay. And here they are talking more about their coins and wallets and their liquidity. If we go back up here, I want to touch base on their white paper and just take a look at that. So if we look at their white paper, it talks about the project, the tokens, the NFTs, everything that we saw. It's almost a duplication of what we just saw, right? But I wanted to draw your attention to this NFTs here. DOGEFOOD first series of NFTs will be released for the top holders. Blind Box and Marketplace will be also released. Each NFT is unique in the world. So where this is going, the reason I'm honing in on this is that they plan on building what they are considering a metaverse for their NFTs. Of course, this is on the Binance Smart Chain. And I can't tell you that this is not legit. This is a definite legit project. And if you got excited about the Shiboshis with Shiba Inu, I just don't see how you would not be excited about this particular project. So I hope you guys have found this valuable. If you did, please go ahead and drop a like and share this particular video. In addition, if you are not a subscriber, hey, we cover projects like this all the time. Go ahead and subscribe so you can be informed about new blockchain technology coming out and people utilizing that blockchain for interesting projects that could be extremely valuable if you invest in them. Hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll catch you on the next one.